Okay, so we are in the coach's room, as you can see. Just some air mattresses. We're in a school for the Scania. This is Sunday. This is Sunday. Coach Allen just went to check on the girls. We're about to go get lunch or breakfast, and then we have our first game, our quarterfinal game at 12. So stay tuned. We'll have some highlights, and we'll be victorious. All right, see you. What's up, ladies? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
These are the O2 Hersom ladies, and they are in medal contention, right?
Yeah.
Bronze medal. That's what we want, don't we?
Yeah.
And we have to play hard to win the bronze, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We believe in you. We know that you can do it. So just play for each other. Play hard. Play aggressive like y'all were playing yesterday. Get all the rebounds, Sarah. Get all the rebounds.
Yeah.
Okay?
Of course.
And share the ball, and you guys will come out with the win, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Put it in.
Siden 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Ved omkring det pres, som Virum laver, som ligner meget det, som Finnerne laver, som vi skal møde. Og der er ikke noget i det her, der er ikke noget af det her, hverken i forhold til Virum eller i forhold til det her, som skal ramme jer. Det her, det handler bare om at finde ud af, hvordan vi skal profitere mest muligt, eller få mest muligt ud af det, vi gør.
In the bus, getting ready to leave. Hi, Bella.
Jeg tænker også, hvorfor skulle være lidt. Hej, Hauke.
Hi, Freddie.
Hej.
Hi, Iggy.
Aggie.
Hi. You see, we have leather bus seats. This is better than the men's team got at Hersom. Quality for the ladies. We gotta go. We're on the way to the game. We're gonna win. See you soon.